Hi, my name is MD Alamin. I'm a certified bookkeeper and professional accountant. I have done my ACCA from UK and I'm currently doing CPA in USA. My professional career is more than 14 years. In this time period, I worked for some companies in my territory, multinational companies, and some other companies across the world, especially in UK, USA, Canada, Australia, and some other European nations. And talking about the marketplace experience, I have worked for more than 200 projects in places, and these are from different parts of the world. My services are exclusively for those who are looking for certified bookkeepers, which doing day-to-day bookkeeping, monthly bookkeeping, financial reporting, financial analysis, financial modeling, accounts and finance restructuring, opening a new business, and so other business consultancy services. Talking about the accounting softwares, I have used QuickBooks Online, XERO, Odoo, Zoho, Sage, Oracle, SAP, FreshBooks, and so on. So if you're an entrepreneur looking for a safe set of hands to hand over your accounts and finance department, then I'll be the best person to help you. If you are an e-commerce entrepreneur, and I will also work on your messy books and keep it in a shape. Talking about my marketplace experience, I have worked with numerous projects, which is also reflected in my profile. So my generous clients has put a lot of 5-star reviews in my profile, which you can visit and see. So looking forward to working with you. Thank you.